It is so beautiful and colorful. Come quick, everyone must come see this pretty rainbow now.
Wow, a real rainbow. It is so colorful and amazing.
Oh my, what a pretty rainbow, Anna. You found it.
It is beautiful. Shall we go outside to find where it ends?
The garden looks so pretty after all the rain.
The flowers are shining like diamonds.
Look at all these puddles. They are like mirrors.
I am jumping over every single one. Watch me.
The rainbow is that way. It looks so close now.
I can see all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
They have so much energy and excitement today.
It is wonderful to see them so happy and curious.
Be careful on the road, children. Stay together.
The rainbow goes right over the hill by the park.
Hello, family. What a beautiful rainbow today.
Hi, Cindy. We are going to find where it ends.
Are you finding the rainbow end? That sounds like a great adventure.
Yes, we are going to find the pot of gold.
They have been very excited since they saw the rainbow.
It is a beautiful day for a family walk in the fresh air.
We will find it. Goodbye, Cindy. Thank you. The park looks so magical after the rain. Everything is sparkling.
I love how everything smells so fresh and clean.
Look, the rainbow ends right at that big tree. Jack, it is like the tree is holding all the colors. Oh no, the rainbow is becoming faint and fading away. The rainbow is gone. I wanted to find the pretty end so much.
I wanted to see the pot of gold at the rainbow's end.
It is okay to feel sad, my darling. I understand you are disappointed.
Sometimes the magic is in the journey, not just at the end.
We had such a wonderful adventure finding the rainbow together.
The rainbow will come back again after another storm. I promise.
But I really wanted to find it so much.
Maybe we can find another rainbow after another rainstorm. Wait, look at this. What is that beautiful thing over there?
A butterfly. It has wings of all the rainbow colors. It is so beautiful.
Look at its wings. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
The rainbow did leave something magical for us after all.
Sometimes the most beautiful things are the ones we do not expect.
The butterfly is going that way. Let us follow it quickly.
Come on, we must run fast or we will lose the pretty butterfly. Be careful on the uneven ground, children. Watch where you are going. This path was here all along. How did we never see it before? The butterfly is showing us the way, like a friendly guide.
I feel like we are on a real magical adventure right now.
Look at this beautiful garden gate. It is covered in flowers.
Oh, wow! Look at all these beautiful flowers everywhere I look.
The garden is full of colors. This is like a rainbow came down to earth. Someone planted all the rainbow colors here on purpose? This is amazing!
Welcome to my secret rainbow garden, family. I am so happy to see you.
Cindy, this garden is absolutely beautiful.
It is the most magical garden we have ever seen in our whole lives.
Let me show you my favorite rainbow roses and all the colorful flowers.
These are red roses, and those are bright orange marigolds over there. Children, can you name all the colors you see in the garden? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I can see the whole rainbow. I will pick these purple ones for my bedroom. They're my favorite color.
I am picking the yellow ones. They look like little suns in my hands.
Plant these seeds in your garden and you will grow your own rainbow flowers.
Thank you so much for sharing your beautiful garden with our family today.
This is the best day ever. You are so kind and generous, Cindy.
Today was the most wonderful adventure we have ever had together as a family.